Thank you for joining us this week. We're not in Tasmania, we are back in our home state of New South Wales, and currently Australia is experiencing severe costs and supply crisis of fuel, with prices reaching record highs of over $3 per litre. And this is due to the conflict in the Middle East. So as our Land Cruiser runs at about 18 litres per 100 when we're towing Mildred, our van, we decided, where are we going to go? We don't want to really burn the budget this week. So we chose somewhere close to Sydney because it's going to be my birthday over the weekend. Anyway, so it's about 80 kilometres to where we're going, down towards Wiseman's Ferry to a place called St Albans. So with a 160 kilometre return, that works out to be about $86.40 for our diesel for the weekend. I think that's what we've got to start thinking about while these prices are in crisis mode. You still want to get away and you still want to enjoy life. We are very lucky to live in the country that we live in. So make things happen, but maybe not such long trips.
You excited for your birthday, doll?
I am.
Should be good.
I'm very excited. And look at this countryside. We've got a little bit of mist. It poured on the way down here. So our free camp for the night is at St Albans Reserve, which is opposite the Settlers Arms Hotel, which is just across the road. Now we've got 3 sons coming down to camp, so we have put a marquee up. I don't know how busy this might get later on today. It's a Friday and we are here. I think it's 2:30 in the afternoon, and down there's the river. So not bad for a free camp. Anyway, we're going to go and check out the pub. Here we are. It's a beautiful looking old sandstone pub. 1836 it was established. Anyway, let's go and have a look. So here we are in the pub, and it's beautiful. And we didn't know, but they actually have an Abba tribute band, or there's me, tomorrow night. Fancy dress. We did not know, but I think my clothes are sort of 70-ish anyway. Well, I think we're in for a bit of fun. Maybe a headache or two. So I did say I wasn't worried about the rain this weekend. Anyway, we wish we'd made a beeline to the caravan just before this came down. Apparently it's going to last about half an hour. So we're thinking, well, what are we going to do?
I'll have to have a beer.
I think we're going to have another beer. Oh, I hope it's not too wet this weekend. With the weather being unpredictable, we ended up back in the van, but we got to watch our favourite Friday Arvo YouTubers and then decided to head back up to the pub for happy hour. It's such a great spot to actually be able to go to the pub.
What have you got? Oh my gosh!
Got some big cattleman's cuts.
Oh wow! What is that?
Chicken rissoles.
Oh wow! Well, lucky we've got the boys coming this weekend.
Every Friday they have the meat draw, but they also have a jackpot draw. So if your raffle ticket gets picked, you can actually choose a card to win thousands of dollars at jackpots each week if it hasn't been won. So to get your raffle tickets for the meat tray and the jackpot, you get 2 tickets with every drink and 5 tickets with a meal. And happy hour starts about 4 o'clock, and the meat raffle was drawn around 7. So what a fun night we had last night. Won a meat tray, and we had our son Riley turn up. So he's just over here. We haven't seen him this morning. I hope he's having a sleep in. Anyway, we're just going to have a little look around. We know that another son is almost here, so we might see him on the way. But yeah, it's a pretty cool little spot. The pub is awesome. We ended up watching the footy.
You're right into your footy these days.
I know. Since last year, getting in my the first dipping comp, it has given me an interest in football. And it was a little bit of a damp night, so it was a good place just to hang out.
Yep.
Anyway, we thought we'd go up and have a little look at what the public toilets are like. So they have play equipment here and a yarning circle, which is like that Stonehenge over there. Picnic tables, pub's just over there, and the campground's just over there. So there is actually a barbecue. As you can hear, a motorbike. This place is very popular for bikies to go and have a day trip, as well as car enthusiasts. And they all end up at the pub for lunch. Okay, so yeah, there's 2 toilets here. So if you're camping and you don't have a toilet, you've got this to use. And of course, they've also got toilets at the pub. I think it's helpful when you're looking to go somewhere to know what facilities are available. There is a coffee hut and it's located just over the road from the campground. It's open on a weekend between 7 and 11 a.m. And that's how you do it. In no time. With time lapse. Did you know that St Albans is a historic route built by convicts between 1826 and 1836, connecting Sydney to the Hunter Valley? And still to this day, it features 19th century infrastructure consisting of retaining walls, picked dress cuttings and culverts. And the sandstone-built Settlers Arms Inn is still serving travellers today. So with our lovely family and friends all arrived, which included our 3 sons, Nick, Ben and Riley, and our gorgeous daughter-in-law-to-be, Amber, and our best friends, Pete and Moore, we headed, where to? Back to the pub for lunch.
What are we doing? Bad gag reflex too.
So we'd be splitting the G,
Yep.
continuous, until you split the G. It's got to land on that spot. Anyone that doesn't get it has to do a nude run back to the water.
Love it, love it.
One day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mark. Okay. Check everyone's doing the right thing. No stopping.
Good Lord.
Okay.
Let the frog.
Peter, let me see.
I'm the money, mate.
Wow, that's pretty good.
That is good. That's Nick's.
Nick,
Dun-dun. What a failure.
Mark.
How'd you go?
Oh,
I think I cheated
Not
because I
bad.
was a little
Not
sick.
bad.
Hey,
Gibbo's come close. He's on
let's
it.
come and have a look. Stephen,
Need my head to settle.
where are you?
Very, very
I
close.
got the upper. Gibbo got the lower.
Oh, gee. I think you're closer than Peter.
Not good.
Amber.
Just missed.
Just missed it.
I stand in the bin. I counted 4.
Oh, what the hell?
thought that was 5.
Oh no.
Thirsty.
Ben?
What, Ben?
It's not bad.
Oh, not bad. Okay, very good.
I'm happy.
Once you get used to it, and the thing with Guinness is you don't sit.
A quick and easy 3-ingredient happy hour dip is to spread some cream cheese in a baking dish, top with chili beans and grated cheese, and bake in a hooded oven or camp oven till it's melted and warm. Serve with tortilla chips and veggie sticks. So after some afternoon shenanigans, we decided to head back to the pub to check out Abba, the tribute band that we had no idea was playing. Oh my goodness, this was so good for my birthday. Settlers Arms has music all year round, so check out the website for further details. There's so much on. Now, I was really keen to share with you how good our voices were, but unfortunately it is a copyright issue if I were to allow you to hear Abba songs. Just believe me, we had the best time, and I think we were all dancing queens, and it was really lovely to take us back to our youth and have a good time. So the morning after, I think some of our family are going to have some sore heads. It was a fun celebration. Amber's here about to make coffee, and Riley is probably nursing a sore head.
Have you seen
inside? Let's have a look at Nick. What happened to his swag?
Nick? I don't know.
What was that? Oh, Pete undid it. Oh, Pete's naughty. Poor Nico. Pete and Moore, our best buddies. In their gator. This camping free reserve isn't overly big, so I'd imagine it gets packed out pretty quickly, especially when they've got big events like their folk festival on. We've been told 3,000 people come to. But there are hip camps, and there are also some holiday letting in the area. So that's our spot there. And I'm just going to walk down and buy a iced chocolate and iced coffee from the little cafe that opens between 7 and 11 on a weekend. It is beautiful. You wake up to the birds singing. The coffee hut. Yeah. Very good. Even iced chocolate and iced coffees to take away. I don't really feel comfortable videoing myself. I like to always have the camera the other way around. But I want to do a little shout out to two of my very special great nephews who follow us on YouTube. And I have done something that might surprise them. I've painted some rocks of their favourite characters, and I'll just show you. I have Sonic. This one is for Jax. So Jax, I'm going to hide this at St Albans in the playground. I know you're probably not going to come down here, but I thought some other children might find these and it might give them a little bit of joy. And I'll just show you the other one is, whoops, a dinosaur, because little Phrase loves dinosaurs. So again, I'm going to hide this in the park area. Yeah, probably in a fork of a tree. I've seen two, and the play area is just opposite me here. I'll just turn this camera around and show you. Anyway, yeah, hello to Phrase and Jax. Thanks for watching our YouTube. So I'm just sitting here at the meeting circle, which is a little bit of a Stonehenge, short one. The pub's just over there, and the coffee shop that's still open. And the playground is just over there. And then the public toilet is there, so campers can come up and use that, preferably instead of the pub. Yeah, so it is a lovely place to come and visit. Alrighty, so just in the fork of the tree is the Sonic that I painted. And it's in, I think it's at a good height for a child to find it. Anyway, the next one. Where will I hide Fraser's dinosaur? So just coming back for some brekkie, and here we are. Breakfast time. Yummo, that smells amazing. I'm glad I feel good this morning.
Very chirpy.
And how do you feel?
Fantastic.
How's everybody feeling?
Good.
You'll be good once you have a bacon and egg wrap. Oh, well, you'll feel even better.
Wow.
Yeah.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Margaret. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hey!
Marshmallow. No, passion fruit custard, coconut cake, passion fruit custard, and mango cream.
Oh my God. So we're just waiting for the ferry, and Ryan, did you go for a swim?
Yeah, so good.
Where?
Ferry on the boat ramp.
On the boat ramp.
The water temp is beautiful.
Yeah, because it's hot and
Yeah, it's very murky though.
so we're just in the queue for the ferry, which is pretty long. We're in the queue. We might get in the middle. It's amazing how many vehicles have actually been able to fit on. They might be able to get Rye on too.
We weren't sure whether we'd squeeze on, but you've done well.
Yeah, incredible.
Yeah, Rye will get on too.
And we're on! Yay! So I will wrap this video up here. I hope you hung around to the end. I wasn't going to video my birthday weekend away, but I do think that St Albans is a special little gem, especially with the free camping. And now with the current situation with fuel, we need to support our little country towns, our pubs, our clubs, our little shops. We need them to still hang in there. So where you can, go out and visit. I mean, this one's a great one if you live near Sydney, but check out your own local area and see what free camps and opportunities you have to go and get outdoors. Thanks for watching.